Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be me testing out a product. I recently went shopping and I found this little gem. It's the Ardell Professional Magnetic Lashes. So we're going to try them out and see how they work. So if you guys want to see how they perform or if they're even worth it or if I wasted my money, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on in and get started. So you guys know that I do not wear fake lashes. I just don't. I have never tried them. If you guys want to see a video of me trying on legit fake lashes, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And I just might do it. But I went to Walgreens and I found this little guy sitting on the shelf. So I thought, let me try it. See how they work. You know, for someone that has like nothing else to compare it to, because I legit don't know what false lashes feel like or, you know, anything like that. We're gonna try to open it and see how it goes. Again, these are the magnetic lashes. It says easy to apply, no adhesive needed, reusable. It contains one set of magnetic lashes, and these are in the double wispies. And it tells you upper and lower right there. We'll see how this goes. Totally nervous. Are there instructions? Do we have instructions? Okay. It says application, gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of natural lash line. Gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnets together. That's it. That's all it says. Okay, so we're gonna take out the top one gently because it says to be gentle. So that's what we'll do. Can you even see the magnets? You can see the magnets. Okay, I don't know if you can see them or not. It's those little, it's these little things right there. Okay. Wish me luck, y'all. They're sticking to my finger. They're not, I wonder. Nope, okay. So we're supposed to lay this on top. Guys, I don't even know about this. Are you supposed to keep your eye open? Oh my Lanta. Okay. So don't blink. And let's hit the bottom one. Oh, dude, I'm gonna rip these lashes. Okay, and then I gotta put the other one. At the bottom. Huh. Okay, that didn't work. Looks like I got a spider in my eye. Ow. Okay. Take two. You guys, I may have wasted my money. That's what I'm kind of feeling like. How are you gonna apart? You guys, can't do this. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. I think I bent them. Can you bend these things? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue how these things work. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. All right, there's one. Okay, let's get the bottom one on. All right. Nope. Did I do it backwards? I bet I did it backwards. Okay, let's try this one. Y'all, this is not easy. Am I doing it back? Am I doing it wrong? Okay. All right, let's try it again. I think this one's, I think I've mixed them up. I really think I did. Okay. All right, so that one's on. Hang on. Okay. All right, that one's on. Now let me not lose it. Okay, you ready? Let's see if it'll go. You guys, this is not working. It's not working at all. I'm losing it. Okay. So we're gonna try the other one because I feel like I mixed them up. This should not be this hard. I don't think. I wonder if we can compare apples to oranges. I think that's the bottom one, and this is the top one. Okay. Okay, we'll try it again. All right. So here's the top. It's supposed to just sit there. That's what it said. It said just place it right on top. I need to close my eye. Okay. And here goes the bottom one. You guys, it keeps getting it before I'm ready. Okay. Let's try it again. How many times is this? Like 4? Okay. There's that one. Now let's get this guy. Come on. Connect. No! Real fake lashes have got to be easier than this. It's got to be. Or else nobody would do it. Ah. I'm starting to think that this is a waste of money. Big time. Okay, we'll try it on this side. Maybe this side's just pissed off. Maybe. Who knows? Okay, so we got this one on at the top. Let me not knock it down. Why do I feel like I can't move my mouth? Uh-oh. Okay. And there's the bottom. You guys, this is not working. Oh, kinda. Nope, I lied. This is not right. I don't mind making a fool out of myself for you guys. That's not right. That's just not right. It's not working. Why is it so difficult? Why would they make a product like this? You guys, do not waste your money. Because I did. I wanted to try it and see how it worked for you guys, though. But these are not working. I feel like I need to kick it. Okay. Nope, 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 no. No. And it says they're reusable, but you guys, these things are, it just made a liar out of it. Okay, so they're supposed to connect, but they don't on your eye, and I don't get it. Like, okay, so this is the bottom, or I mean the top. Okay, and then this one's supposed to go right up underneath it. Oh, one of them's connected. I feel it. Ah! Okay, I'm done. I'm done, you guys. This is not working. Okay, so this stuff, these lashes, total waste of money. Kaput. Nope, not happening, Captain. Okay, so you guys, I tried them out, and they suck. So, oh, crap. Oh, I just dropped them in the floor. I'm never going to find them. Okay, so if you guys wanted to know how these magnetic lashes work, don't buy them. Just don't. But still, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to try, like, legit false lashes. And if you do, I'll try them out. But that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got a good laugh out of it. If you did, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day.